How to view browsing history on Amazon. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view browsing history on Amazon. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in amazon.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, now you'll be taken to the official website of Amazon. Here make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are signed in to your account, you will land on this home page. Here you will need to look for account and list option at the top. Once you find it, hover your cursor over it and then you'll be able to see this pop up. From here you'll be able to locate your account section and under it look for browsing history. Now once you find this option, simply click on it and then you'll be able to reach to a new page. In this page you'll be able to see your browsing history along with the products that you have viewed previously. You'll also be able to manage or delete the items from this history as per your preference. To do so, you will simply need to click on this remove from view option at the bottom of the product and then the viewed product will be deleted or removed. So by following these steps, you should be able to view the browsing history on Amazon. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.